Hi, look at all this stuff. I'm going on an extended road trip, I guess, and I'm packing up some art supplies to take along with me. And I thought you'd like to see what an average artist would bring along. I'm primarily a acrylic artist, but acrylics are really difficult and messy to take, especially on a road trip where you're going to be spending a lot of time in a vehicle. So I have several things here that I'm going to take instead because I do multiple mediums. So let's start off with showing you what I'm going to take. Of course, pencils. This is a whole set of 12 Mars Lumograph. They're my favorite pencil, and drawing is probably my favorite thing to do. So I'll take them, I'll leave them in the can so they won't get broken. I'll leave that out there. I also always take along some of my micron pigment pens because I like to draw with these as well. And everything is going to go in this little pencil case, well, except for the tin. I also am taking a couple of Jelly Roll pencils for highlights. My erasers, I have several because I shake so much. I'm constantly erasing. So this is a rubber eraser, a pencil eraser, and a square and a round Tombow mono erasers. I also have a little piece of kneadable eraser. I'll probably take a little baggie to stick that in once I open the plastic. And my Faber-Castell white eraser, a mechanical pencil, some blending stumps, a ruler to hopefully help me keep my lines at least halfway straight. And I always like to take this. It's a little sandpaper. Peel that bit off so I can show you. It helps to keep the pencils sharp. It also helps to clean the stump, although I don't recommend that because the stump is made of paper, and when you rub it on the sandpaper, it tears up the edges, gives you burrs. And I also love to draw with white charcoal on black paper, and I'll show you the black paper in a minute. So I have 2 charcoal sticks and 2 stumps that I keep specifically for the white charcoal. And they all fit in there and zipped up. Whoops. And very compact. I'm also taking my sharpener that has the container in it so I don't have to go looking for some place to put all the shavings. Okay, next, the paper. I'll show you this. This is my black paper. It's a small pad. Normally I draw on a much bigger sheet, and I'm not 100% thrilled with this paper, but it's okay for traveling and doodling. And a lot of the sketching I'll come back and make an acrylic painting, most likely. I'm also taking this small little sketchbook that I have some sketches already done in it. The reason I'm taking the small ones is because they're much easier to carry along and take with you. I also have this tiny little sketchbook. What is this? Art Creation. Excuse me. It has kind of off-white pages, but they're really nice for the sketching and drawing when you're in a car or you're sitting outside or even waiting at the doctor's, which I will probably be doing a lot. It fits in my purse, so it's perfect. I can throw a couple of pencils in my purse and take that along. So that's not much. Next, I am taking some watercolors just so I can have a little bit of color. This is my Daniel Smith botanical little palette. It comes with 6 paints, and there is room for me to add more, and I'm going to be buying more, so I left them blank so I can try them out when I buy them. And this is my own palette that I added my own paints to, ones that I use most often. And it has a lovely, actually 2 mixing areas and a little ring to hold it if you wanted to hold a palette. And I'm also bringing my can of Inktense pencils. I love these. They're kind of like watercolor, but once used and activated with water, they are permanent. And as the name says, Inktense, they're very intense colors. Really nice to work with. So we'll stick these over there. This is my little watercolor book. It's perforated, so I can tear out the pages. This one is, oh, I don't know what that one is. But anyway, I really like it. It's really pretty. It's cute. And it even has a little pouch if you want to stick things in there. And a ribbon to mark your pages. And this also fits in my purse if I need to. And I'm taking this along because it's brand new to me. I've never tried it, but I've heard a lot of people talk about Academy watercolor paint. It's supposedly 100% cotton, but this is a block. I'm not 100% sure that's cotton, but I'm going to try it out and we'll see when I come back. Maybe I'll do a video and show you how well it worked. I'm also taking my little water brush and this collapsible water jar, because I know for past experience I don't always have something suitable to put water in. A little spray bottle to activate my paints. And let's move this out of the way so I can show you this. This is what I keep my brushes in. These are my watercolor brushes. So it's just a roll. I keep them in here, keep them from getting squished. So I take a variety that I think I might need. I only have a small watercolor book, so I don't need giant brushes, right? So yeah, that's it for the, oh, this way. And it just rolls up and you can tie it. And these all fit in this cute little bag that my daughter gave me. She loaned it to me, she says. This little knapsack, which I can, just put on my back and go on with it. It has a drawstring and snaps, and everything should fit neatly in there with no issues. Put all the paper in there first. And the pencil case and the cans, and there's a little pouch I can put the water brush in, and probably this too. And this zips. And stick my water jar in there, and my brush is down on the side, and then the string. Oops. Now I have my little art bag, so I know where all my art supplies are, and there's room for me to buy more along the way. Every artist always buys more on the way. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you get to travel this summer and enjoy doing art on the road. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.